Okay, welcome to the session. Good morning, students. Today we discussed about the logical micro operations and its applications. There are mainly 6 types of micro operations in logical. Okay, they are selection set, selection complement, and selection clear, mask, insert, and clear. Okay, first of all, we have to see the selection set. Selection set is the one of the application of the logic micro operation. What is the meaning of set? Set means 1. Okay, set is represented as 1. Set means 1. The selective set, operation set 1 bit in the register A, where there are corresponding ones in the B register B. Here there is an example for the selective set. We have to take, this is a 10 decimal number, this is in the form of binary, this is a 12 decimal number. In all application we have to take, in all 6 logical micro operation application we have to take these example. Okay, this is a binary 10 and this is the binary 12. Assume that 10 is A and B is 12. Okay, this is, we have to consider after the operation A is a resultant output. Here A and B are, A is 10 value and B is 12 value. A is a resultant output. A is a, after calculations of the A and B, we have to require a resultant output. There is no change in B. A is considered as a before number. Before, we have to calculation before, we have to take only 10, that is in the binary number A. Okay, B is known as a logic operand. Okay, B is called it as logic operand. Okay, A is calculated with the help of B. In any application, we have to use A is calculated with the help of B number. B means 12, A is 10. Here we have to see what is the, how to define the selective set. Set means 1. Okay, if do not affect bit position, that zeros in B. Okay, we have to take, first of all we have to take, in the B, we have to take the B register. It consisting of the 4 bit. In B register, 0 does not change for A. Okay, here we have to take the change in the A with the help of B. Okay, in B register, here 2 bits are 0. 2 bits are 0 means there is no change. That's why we have to place 0 and 1 as it is. In A, in B register 0 0 there is no change. A is placed as 0 1. In B register 1 there is a change for this. Okay, in this ones we have to take 0 1 means 1 and 1 1 means 1. Okay, therefore OR micro operation can be used to the selective set bit of the register. Okay, here we have to show clearly. Okay, here we have to take A 10. Okay, this is a 10, this is a 12. A and B values. This is a before A, this is a logic operand. Okay, with the help of B register 4 bits, we have to calculate the A bit register. Here in the B register there is a 0. Here A is does not change, 0, 1. Okay, here once we have to change to the corresponding ones. Here in the B register 1 is placed. In A is 0. We have to place it as 1. Here also 1. That's why we have to place it as 1. This is the final output A after the calculation of the selective set. Okay. Therefore, this operation is known as a OR micro operation. It is used for selective set bit of the register. Selective set means here we have to already discuss it. Set means 1. 1 means in B register 1 we have to change the A bits as a 1. 0 values does not change. This is known as a selective set. Set means 1. The OR bit micro operation. Here selective set is used for OR bit micro operations, or micro operations can be used to determine the selective set in the register. Okay, next, second one, selective complement. What is the complement? Complement means we have to transfer the 0 to 1s or 1 to 0s. Here also we have to take example as A as 10 and B is 12. 10 and B is 12. B is known as a logic operand. After calculation with the help of B bit, A is placed as like this. Okay, the selective complement operation, complement bit in A where there are corresponding ones in B. Here also, like in selective set, we have to no change in the 0 bit. In B have 1 bits and 0 bits. 0 bits does not change. In 1 bits we have to follow a complement operation. Okay. This is A. This is B, logical operand. 0 does not change in the A bits. 0, 1. Here we have to consider the A. We have to calculate the A with the help of B. Here in the B bit, here we have 2 zeros. 0 is not changed. Okay, there is no change in the 0 register. Okay, that's why you have to place it as A 0 and 1. And here B has a 1. That is known as complement. Complement means we have to take it as 0 complement means 1 and 1 complement means 0. This is the final result after calculating the selective complement. After the A value is 0 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Here B in 0 is does not change in selective set and also selective complement. 1 is changed. Here 1 is, okay, here 1 value in the B register. Okay, 0 means complement 0 means 1. Here also 1 value in B register, that is changed to 1 means 0. Okay, this is the final result of the selective complement. Okay, it does not affect the bit position that 0 is in B. Okay, in both the applications, selective set and selective complement, there is no change in the B register 0. Only once we have to change. Set means we have to change 0 to 1. Okay, set means we have to set as 1. Okay, complements means whether it is a 0, it is transferred to 1, and 1 means it is transferred to 0. Like that we have to perform the selective complement. Okay, therefore the exclusive or micro operation can be used to selective complement. In this, in selective set we have to use the or micro operation. In this selective complement, it is used for exclusive or micro operation that can be used for selective complement in the register. Next, third micro operation is selective clear. Okay, the selective clear operation, clear to 0, the bit in A only there are corresponding bits in ones in B. Here also there is no change in 0 bits in B. Okay, only 1 bit in the, only 1 bit in the B, that A will be changed. In selective set, in selective complement and selective clear, there is no change bit B in 0 does not change. There is no change. Only ones have to change with the consideration of selective set, selective complement and selective clear. Okay, if the bit B register is 0, there is no need to change. If the bit B register is 0, then there is a no change in the register. Okay, consider the example. Already we taken this example. A, B. Okay, here there is no change in B values. That's why we have to place it as 0 and 1. Okay, and clear means here clear is known as a 0. Set means 1. Like that, clear means 0 here. Okay, here 1 is place it as clear 0 and 1 also here place it as 0. There is no change in zeros. Only 1 have to change it. Here in B bit register there is a 1 that have to changes as a zeros. Set will be, clear will be zeros. Okay, one can detect that Boolean operation that individual bits is A, B bar. Here in selective set we have to consider that operation as OR micro operation. In selective complement we have to represent it as exclusive micro operation. In this selective clear we have to represent that operation is AB bar. Okay, the corresponding logic micro operation is denoted as A transfer to A and B. There is no meaning of this operation. That's why we have to place it as A and B. Okay, this is the A operation and it is a B operation. B has a zeros. There is no change in the A bit. Here 1, that is clear means 0. Here 1 we have to change 0 and 0. This is the final result of the selective clear. It is used for the AB bar. Boolean operation. Boolean means A and B. AB bar means AB complement, that is written as A transfer to A and B, that information is transferred to the A register. This is the no meaning, just the resultant output will be placed as A and B, that is the information that is stored in A. Next it is a mask operation. Mask means making the bit as a 0. Okay, in selective set and selective complement and selective clear, all the operations only 0 does not change in the A register. In B register we have the bit consisting of zeros and ones. Zeros does not change, only 1 can be related transfer, that is related to the set or complement or clear. Okay, this is the fourth logic micro operation application, that is mask. Mask means making the bit as 0. Making a bit as 0. If the bit B is 0, then the corresponding bit A will be masked. In selective set, selective complement and clear, there is no need to change in the zeros bit. Here we have to take in the masked bit B is 0, then the corresponding bit A will be masked. Here we have to take the example. This is a 10 and this is a 12. If the bit register B is 1, then there is no need to change. Here in the previous example, this is a reverse. Here the bit 1, then there is a no need to change. If the bit B will be the 0, then the corresponding bit will be the masked. Masked means 0. Here we have to take the example 10 and 12. Here 1 means the A value as it is be placed. 1 means 1 0. Here 0 0 means it is considered as 0. Let's see the example. Okay, 0 will be changed. 0 will be placed as a masked. That's why we place it as 0 0. If in any 0 or 1 we have to place it as 0. In 1 means in B register there is no change. This is the final result after applying the mask operation. Okay, mask means making the bit as a 0. In previous class we have to explain, in B has a 0, there is a no change. Only changes only in the bit we have to place only the change only one's number. Here we have to take in register B 1, there is no need to change. In register B there is a 0, so we have to corresponding the A will be masked. Masked means either it is a 1 or 0, it is placed as a 0. Okay, next. Insert operation. The insert operation inserts a new value into the group of bits. Insert means we have to perform the two operation. Okay, here we have to perform the two operation, mask and OR operations. Okay, insert operation means we have to insert the new value, not that the previous one. We have to insert the new value to that A register and the B register. Here we have to perform the two operations, that is a mask and OR operations. For example, we have to take, this is a 10 value, this is the extra value we have to insert. For this insert operation example, first of all we have to take the mask operation means, okay, here we have to take 0 0. Next, in that 10 we have to place it as 1. After masking, just we have to assume that we have to first 4 bits has a 0 0 0 and second 4 bit we have to take ones. Okay, next we have to calculate the A and B with the mask operation. That is, by using this mask operation, mask means there is no change in the ones. That's why you have to place A is 1 0 1 0. Only we have to 0 is masked. Means here any number is there, that is placed as a 0. This is a mask operation after performing the A bit. Okay, next we have to perform the insert operation. Insert operation, we have to take the insert 0 0 0 as a 4 bit and 1 0 0 1. Okay, we have to perform the insert operation. After performing the insert operation, we have to perform 0 0 means 0 1 0 0 is nothing. That's why we have to place it A value, A bit register, and this is also we have to place it 0. That's why we have to place it 1 0 0 1. Okay, here we have to insert the another new number into the group of insert operation. Here we have to take the two numbers. Okay, here we have to place 0 0 and 1 1. Here we have to perform the mask operation. Mask means 1 is there is no change, 0 means we have to perform the bit B into the 0. 0 means already we placed it. Masked operation means 0 means 0. Next we have to perform the 0 to this the after masking of A bit. The B is the insert value. After considering the A and B, the final result will be the 1 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. This is a insert operation. Okay, next last one. Last application of the logic micro operation, clear operation. The clear operation compares the words in A and B. Okay, in clear operation they compare the A and B bit in the example. This is the A bit and this is the B bit. Okay, and produces an all ones result in the all zeros in the result. If the two numbers are equal, this operation is achieved by an exclusive or micro operation. Exclusive or micro operation. Here we have to take the example 10 and 12. Okay, if in A bit and B bit there is a same operation, okay, same result. 0 0 means it is considered as 0 and 1 1 means it is considered as 0. Okay, if both cases are different, that is considered as 1. Okay, here we have to take 1 1 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 0 0. In this 0 0 means 0 0. In A and B are both number 1 or 0, that is considered as 0. If here A bit has 1 and B bit is 0, that is considered as 1. And here also A bit is 0 and B bit is 1, it is also considered as 1. And here both bits A and B are 1, that is considered as 0. This is after calculation of the A bit for the clear operation. Okay, comparing the both words in the A and B, both are same, that is that resultant will be the 0. This is a clear operation. Okay. Okay, logic micro operation. There are the 6 logic micro operations are there. First one is selection set, selection complement. Next selection clear, mask insert and clear operation. Okay, in selective set, complement and clear, we have to perform only the ones on the B register. There is no need to change in the B. B has a 0 bits, there is no need to change. Only ones have to be changed in the first 3 micro operations. First 3 micro operations application. In masked, that is represented as a 0. Any value in the B register 0, that is masked as a 0. And insert value, that has the insert operation can be invited the new group information and new bit to the operation. Okay, next clear is represented as the comparing the words of the A and B. If the resultant of the A and B has both the values are equal, then the resultant will be the 0, and both values are the different, the resultant bit will be the 1. This is for the today's class. Next class we discuss it about the shift micro operations. Thank you.